hear the cicadas.
Over the years since SDC, Sentosa Development Corporation has gained control over Sentosa. It has put in tremendous effort in reconstructing the island for leisure and entertainment purposes to increase tourism. It was very successful, especially in their aims of achieving their mission, conserving as well as developing. They were successful in their conservation project. One of them was the Inbia Trail, found in the Sentosa Nature Discovery Area. The Inbia Trail acts as a natural habitat for animals and has also helped enhance the biodiversity like butterflies, birds, and squirrels. Other than the Inbia Trail, there is also the Sentosa Green Plan, which covers the three main missions of Sentosa. The three main missions being maintaining island charm, environmental sustainability, protecting and enriching the natural resources, and lastly, reducing carbon footprints. Sentosa has maintained its attraction and environment by integrating resorts around the nature. Using nature to bring down the temperature of the weather, SDC has built resorts such as the Siloso Beach Resort around the natural environment. Sentosa also has conserved many flora and fauna all around, like the Imbia Trail, meant to sustain the environment and enrich the island charm. Not only that, the conservation of flora and fauna has helped Sentosa to protect and enhance the habitats that acts as a home for the biodiversity. They have also put up signs that warn visitors about the consequences of feeding animals and how they should be approached. When protected, the animals will have a better chance of dispersing the pollens or seeds of the trees. The dispersed seeds will grow into trees that will contribute to sustaining the environment. Sentosa has reduced the carbon footprint by organizing a campaign called Plant a Tree campaign. This campaign has helped to increase in the number of trees, which reduces the carbon dioxide in the air and results in the decrease of carbon footprints. Sentosa has a very rich historical background. They have conserved two forts, Fort Serapong Archaeological Project and Fort Siloso, which have played a very important role in World War II. These forts are strong as they were built to protect Singapore during the World War II and are still standing till this date. Fort Serapong is situated on Mount Serapong, while Fort Siloso is located on the western tip of Sentosa. These forts not only contain heritage of the soldiers who fought for the war, they also hold the collective memories where soldiers can connect to relate to their experience, which might be a very important memory to them. Thus, we can say that Sentosa has been successful in the conservation of the environment around them. Yet, they have also been successful in the development of their island to a leisure and development place.
So basically, what I did was mainly focusing on the script writing with Manini and identifying animals on our Sentosa trip during the Imbia Trail so that King Boon and Denise will be able to film them and take pictures. Animals that I identified were the squirrels, the birds, the butterflies, and everything. I also did slight compiling of the documentary, like giving them suggestions about how we should how should the documentary flow and everything. And I also did research on Sentosa to find out about the challenges that they are facing so that we'll be able to do our policy proposal later on. Yeah, that's about it. So basically, I think my group contributed equally to the project, and we all gave a lot of suggestions into bettering our documentary, but we all focused on different aspects. I personally co-wrote the script and did research on Sentosa. I also took down a lot of notes on our trip there and gave ideas on how to edit the video to Denise and Kingbun.
Was the filming for this video. I filmed and took photographs of the animals and plants at the Imbia forest. I also compiled this video together with the images that I found and took and provided some information so that Malini and Shireen can write.
During the trip in Sentosa, I was the camera crew along with Denise. In Sentosa, I made video and photographic documents of the other team members and of nature. I also did research on the Sentosa Development Corporation and their proposals for the development of Sentosa. Furthermore, I also helped in the narration and compilation of videos and photographs for the Integrated Humanities and Social Sciences video montage documentary presentation.